Mi racconti?
Hai visto che bello Valentino?
Sì, che bello è Valentino, guarda là dove lui sta.
Ma hai visto che bello che è?
Sì.
Ciao Valentino!
Look at the sun on my face. It's quite sunny today. We're visiting Enrico's parents. This is their apartment. Valentino has a little patio. Hey Valentino! What's up? So they put this net all around the balcony, and when we stay, probably when we are in Canada visiting, Freyja stays here with Valentino. This is the Main Coon Valentino. Valentino, are you a little scared? No. Valentino's very curious about me and what I'm doing in this room. I hardly ever see him. Like I see him once or twice a month. So he's kind of curious. He's a curious cat. He's a very quiet and sweet cat. What's that? Oh, it's the camera. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Here, Valentino, I have some treats for you. So cute. Oops. Here. Oops, sorry. Wait. Valentino. Come on. Bravo, Valentino. Che bravo. There's a camera.